You are saving money to buy a new bicycle that cost $155.75. You have $30 and you plan to save $5 each week. Your aunt, bless her heart, decides to give you an additional $10 per week. First question, how many weeks will you have to save until you have enough money to buy the bicycle? Second question, how many more weeks would you have to save to buy a new bicycle that costs $203.89? Explain how you found your answer. All right, lots of reading. Don't panic. Let's take it one step at a time. You're saving money to buy a new bicycle that costs $155.75. You have $30. So we have enough information to find out how much more money do we need. So we're going to subtract the $30 from the $155.75. And we end up knowing that we need $125.75 more. Now let's put together the next sentence. You plan to save $5 each week, but your aunt is going to give you an additional 10. So you're going to be saving $15 per week. Now the question is, how many of those 15s is it going to take to get you $125.75? That's a division problem. How many 15s are there in 175? My pen's not working very well. All right, so we end up with 15 goes into 125.75. 15 will not go into 12, but it will go into 125. I know that there are 2 15s in 30, 4 15s in 60, 6 16s in 90, and another 30 from that. So why don't we try 8 and see where that gives us. 8 times 5 is 40. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's pretty close. That's 120. So let's write that right here. 120 here and subtract. Now this is a 7 if you remember. We can bring down the 7 and will 15 go into 57? Yes. 15 will go into 57 about 5 times because 6 is going to be too many. 5 15s, sorry about the mess here, is going to be 70. What? Did I do something wrong? I think I miscalculated, didn't I? To get 60, I only need 4 15s. So I need to go back down to 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 3, 45. So now I'm going to put that 3 right here and the 45 right here. Now, here's the deal. We could keep going, but the important thing we already found out. We found out that you're going to need more than 8 weeks to save enough money for the bike. We're going to need 8 and part of the next month. Or 8 and part of the next week. So basically we already know the answer. How many weeks will we have to save until you have enough money to buy the bicycle? More than 8. So we're going to need 9 weeks to do that. All right. Now the unfortunate part is I have a lot of work to do, and this is a mess. Let's see if we can do it, though. Now, if we need $203.89, and we have 30, we have to solve for how much we still need. 9, 8, 3, 20, 19, 18, 17. So we need $173 this time. So let's put that there and divide by 15. 15 goes into 17 once, 2 left over. 15 goes into 23 once, and now we have 15 there and 8 left over. Bring down the 8, and now you're also going to see that we have 11 weeks plus. We're also going to have to come up with another 11.6 something weeks, right? So I hope I'm explaining this well enough for you to understand that we need more than 11 weeks for Part B. We will need 12 weeks. All right, I'm sorry about the mess, but hopefully you understand the process here. Find out how much money that you need to earn and divide it by the number of 15s there are in order to solve for how many weeks you need to save.